Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Kryptonic and today I'm going to be talking about what 2017 has done for my channel and what I look forward to in 2018. So if you guys do end up enjoying the video, make sure to drop a like on it. But anyways guys, let's get straight into the video. So for 2017, I didn't really accomplish much. And I'm a little disappointed because if you guys go back to the beginning of 2017, I clearly said I want to get to 15,000 subscribers, and then I completely went AWOL on you guys and I just didn't really upload that much. And that's because I started my junior year in high school and that really took up way more time than I expected it to, and I just overall got carried away between what I wanted to do between gaming, tech, reviews, you know, just a bunch of things that I got sidetracked with, and I ended up just overthinking everything and not doing anything, and that just made the channel way worse than I wanted it to. Now, I did gain some subscribers throughout this year, and although it's not much, I did gain like 1,000 subscribers, and I'm very thankful for that because, you know, I wasn't really uploading much, but the things that I would upload, there were people watching it, and some people would obviously be like, this really helped me, and that really motivated me to keep making more even though I wasn't making as much as I wished to. Now, for 2018, I want to get this channel borderline, you know, clear everything about what I want to do for 2018. So for 2018, I plan on making tutorial and tech and review videos. By tech videos, it could also be review videos and stuff like that, but also tutorial videos like my OBS videos, which are really popular. And I obviously plan to bring you guys more videos for programs that I'm learning to use and programs that I want to use. I'm going to be bringing you guys videos for that, so that way you guys can learn along as I do. And if I learn things like for Adobe Premiere or something that I really think you guys should know, I will definitely make a video on that. And of course for reviews like, you know, keyboards and stuff like that, I love doing that because it's very great to experience a variety of keyboards instead of just using one standard keyboard. Now for 2018, I really do plan on hitting 15,000 subscribers. I'm not saying it'll happen, but I'm really going to work hard to make it happen because that's my main goal, and I really want to hit that because I haven't really hit a threshold or a goal since, you know, 10,000 subscribers. I just kind of stopped, and I want to continue doing it, and I'm just going to try to schedule out my videos better and just try to get on top of it. 2017 wasn't my best year. 2016 was probably my best year, and it will always be my best year for YouTube. But for now, I just want to say thank you very much for this year sticking with me. If you guys are one of my followers, I really do appreciate it for you guys staying with me, and I definitely look forward to 2018 because I'm definitely going to put way more work into what I do, and obviously my videos, I'm going to try to make them more relatable to everyone, so that way everyone can get help from a video and not just a particular group. Anyways guys, hopefully you guys did end up enjoying the video. I really look forward to 2018. If you guys have not checked out my other channel, my gaming channel, that's where I'm going to try to put a lot of work into that too. And you know, I'm just really excited about 2018, and overall, Happy New Year's.